Hello friends! Do you want to know what's inside this box? For some time ago I bought this tool. I hope it's a tool inside. I don't know yet what's inside. You can see the box is still sealed. So I wanted to get transmission flush or transmission fluid change machine. I hope it's inside here and I would like to open it up together with you. First, let's take a look what's inside this small box. Okay, there's the wheels. So, minimum this device will be pretty mobile. So there is some kind of case. I hope that there will be adapters for different transmissions. You can't feel it, but this is some Chinese stuff, and there is that specific Chinese rubber smell. Looks like nothing is going into correct places. It's okay. I hope they will be still functional. Some kind of manual. Okay, it's pretty good. Ah yeah, there is manual, adapters, wheels and screws included. When I was buying this machine, I was very carefully reading the description of this machine because it was really very cheap and I was not sure that I will get directly that tool I ordered. Because many of you know that there is a lot of scam into shopping places, and I was reading, is there directly correct weight or size, because the price was so low that there was possibility that it could be some kind of demo machine or something like that. But as we see, it arrived into correct size, so I hope this will be working too. There is also some kind of keys. I don't know, it's the ignition key or maybe to do not allow someone to work with this device. I don't know why there is a keys. So it looks like the other devices. Of course, it's not so beautiful as the expensive ones. We are not paying for design. Basic things, I see that there is fuse. It's written fuse, but it's actually fuse, so someone wasn't good with the English language. We see that there is switch for cleaning transmission or exchanging oil. It's not a switch, it's a valve. On-off switch. It should be showing when it's working or not. Emergency stop. And also exchanging or extracting, I think it's for old oil. Further, we see there is cables. It's from the car's battery or something like that, but I think I will remake this. I will do it in normal 220 volt system. I will just put in some kind of transformator. We see a filter for the oil and the hoses. I hope they will be soft enough for some time. And we can see also why there was a key. It's opening, and it's carrying two 20-liter cans, one for the new oil, one for the used oil. Basically, all these devices are built in the same way. Of course, for the more expensive devices, there is some kind of display, some kind of database, some kind of automatics inside, but basically they are built in the same way. Oil pump, oil reservoirs, some switches, and that's all. With unboxing this device, I'm starting the series of videos about transmission so-called full fluid change. This is the first video. The second video will be where I will change the oil in transmission with this device. And the third video, I hope it will be the most interesting video. After short time, we change the fluid in transmission. We will take off that transmission and we will open it up and take a look what benefits exactly are from the full transmission fluid change, or there will be no any benefits and there will be still dirt inside the transmission. Thank you all. Stay tuned.